You ready, Michael? This is your first time to eat vegetables. It's green bean, okay? It smells kind of gross, and I'm sorry. We're gonna try it. You ready? You ready? No. How was that? What do you think about that? What do you think? Is that good? Not too bad, is it? What do you think? Is it pretty good then? Not so bad? Don't know, do you? It's different. So what's the verdict? Do you like it? You eat it again? Huh? Will you eat it again? Is it not too bad? Oh, you're getting green everywhere. Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mikey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.